Good morning students, this is the class for 6th standard science subject and physics our lesson 3rd is forces and motion. Okay, in last class we have seen the types of motion. In that we have seen the periodic and non-periodic motion and also the definition of speed and average speed. Okay, so to continue that lesson now we are going to learn about the some problems by using the average speed formula. Okay, so in your book page number 27 they are given two problems in the case of let us calculate. Okay, so the first problem is a cat traveled 150 meter in 10 seconds and what is its average speed. Okay, so we have to determine the average speed. Okay, they are given distance and time as 150 meter and 10 seconds. Okay, so the average speed, the formula is distance by time, so that is equal to 150 by 10, so 0 0 will get cancelled, the remaining is 15. Okay, so the average speed of the cat is 15 meter by second. The second problem is what means Priya ride her bicycle 40 km in 2 hours. Okay, so what is her average speed? So the solution is they are asking the average speed of the Priya is what, and the distance is 40 km and time is 2 hours. Okay, so these two are the given data in the problem. So the average speed is distance by time, that is equal to 40 by 2, so 1 2s are 2, 20 2s are 40. Okay, so that is equal to 20 km by hours. Okay, so the average speed of the Priya is 20 km by hours. Okay, so the next one is what means in page number 28 they are given one game like, okay, our speed, let us play a small game. Go to the playground with your friends, mark a 100 meter distance for a race, conduct a friendly running race and calculate the time taken to complete the distance by stopwatch. Now fill up the following table. Okay, so the first one is a serial number, we have to consider the 5 players and the name of the students, distance, time in distance in meter. Okay, distance in meter and the time taken in seconds, and average speed is formula is distance by time, and finally we have to calculate the average speed in meter by second. Okay, so the 5 members as Murukeshan, Siva, Arun, Akash and Mani. Okay, so they cover a distance of 100 meter. Okay, for all the distance is same, the time taken is different. For Murukeshan the time taken is 12. Okay, so the distance by t is 100 by 12, that is equal to 8.3 meter by second, and for Siva is 100 by 10, so the speed is 10 meter by second, and for Arun is the speed 12.5 meter by seconds, and Akash is 100 by 6, that is equal to 16.6 meter by second, and for Mani 100 by 4, so the average speed is 25 meter by seconds. Okay, so the next one is already we know that the formula for speed or average speed is distance by t. Okay, so from this formula we can find out the distance formula. Okay, so d by t is equal to s, we have to find only the distance, means this time will be go to that side. Okay, so d is equal to s into t. Okay, and from this formula we have to find the time formula, means we have st is equal to d and we have only the time phenomena, means these two term this term will go to the denominator. Okay, so t is equal to d by s. Okay, so in page number 28 they are given problem under the do you know box. Okay, that problem if a ship traveled at a speed of 50 km per hour and it's sailed for 5 hours, how much distance it has to be traveled. Okay, so the speed is 50 km per hour and the time is 5 hours. Okay, so the distance is 50 into 5, that is equal to 250 km. Okay, and another problem is if we know the speed and distance traveled we can compute the time taken. Okay, by using the formula t is equal to d by s. Okay, so suppose a bus travel at a speed of 50 km per hour. Okay, the speed is 50 km hour and the distance covered of a bus is 300 km. Okay, so we have to calculate the how much time it will be take. Okay, so t is equal to what? So t is equal to d by s, that is equal to 300 by 50, so 0 0 will get cancelled and 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30, so that is equal to 6 hours. Okay, so the time taken for bus is t is equal to 6 hours. Okay, then Then next one is in page number 28, under the problem they are giving, compute the following numerical problems. Okay, so the first one is what means, if you travel 10 kilometer in 2 hours, your speed is dash kilometer per hour. Okay, so for 2 hours 10 kilometer means for 1 hour is equal to 5 kilometer per hour, because s is equal to, okay, speed is equal to d by t, so that is equal to 10 by 2, so 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, speed is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, then if you travel 50 kilometer in half an hour, you would travel dash kilometer in 1 hour. 50 kilometer வந்து half an hour travel பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அப்போ 1 hourக்கு என்னது? Okay, so 15 plus 50 30. Okay, so the speed also is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, the speed your speed is also speed is equal to d by t, so that is equal to for this we have speed is equal to d by t, so that is equal to, the distance is 30 by the time is 1 hour. Okay, so s is equal to 30. Okay, and the speed also is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, then the third one is, if you run fast at 20 kilometer per hour for 2 hours, you will cover what distance? Okay, dash a kilometer. For 1 hour ku 20 kilometers run பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அப்போ for 2 hours ku 20 plus 20 40 kilometer. Okay students, thank you.